In this video, I'll show you how to add a new mail accounts on your iPhone. So here I'm in my iPhone mail app and currently I'm using a mail account. Now, if you want to use multiple mail accounts in your mail app, just tap on this arrow icon and here you will find all of your added mail accounts. Now let's see how to add a new mail account. Go ahead and launch the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap on apps. Once you are in your iPhone app list, here you have to scroll down and tap on mail and tap on mail accounts. To add a new mail account, tap on add account and here select your mail service. I'm selecting here Google. Now all you have to need, add here your mail account email address or phone number and tap on next. In this password box, type here your mail account password. Once you successfully added your mail account, come to these mail accounts and here you will find all of your added mail accounts. Now make sure to turn on mail to sync all mails from the mail account in your iPhone mail app. Now go ahead and open your mail app and tap on this arrow icon and here you will find your added mail account. Tap on inbox and you'll directly jump into the specific mail account inbox. Thanks for watching.